Cleanup efforts in Northeast Philadelphia are ending as community members begin to rebuild after the crash with the city's support.
I do know people that live in the surrounding neighborhood 5 minutes away who said that they heard their houses shake.
Damaged homes, businesses, and a large crater on Roosevelt Boulevard are visible reminders of what happened.
It was looking all right, there wasn't too much damage.
Roosevelt Boulevard, Cotman, and Bustleton Avenues were damaged, causing road closures and lane restrictions. Since then, city agencies have cleared debris and traffic's resumed. Officials say residents have returned to their homes and businesses have reopened. Those businesses affected by the plane crash can apply for grants up to $20,000, while residents can apply for rent and grant relief efforts as well as funds for relocation.
The city staff is also working with the Federal Small Business Administration to activate what they refer to as the Economic Injury Disaster Loan.
Along with other disaster relief efforts, city officials said there will be a voluntary donation fund to help those in need.
We have actually created a One Philly Fund to help victims of disasters in Philadelphia.
Even though the lasting impacts from the crash aren't clear, residents say they will continue to support each other.
People are gonna start to be there around there a little bit more, There'll probably be some sort of memorial.
To find more information regarding relief efforts, go to templeupdate.com. Reporting for Temple Update, I'm Kamil Rozanski.